So that was definitely a way to start the day. Pretty much we had breakfast in the room right behind me in there, and we had a good chat about our lives majorly. Like, I discussed my mental health issues, other people discussed their childhood and the way that they were raised, and it's just incredible to hear everyone else's life stories, and particularly see, like, for instance, some of the people that are incredibly happy, incredibly positive, and actually how negative their upbringing was. Like, it's quite interesting for me because, of course, as I said, I struggle with my mental health. Yet I feel like I had an incredible upbringing, and comparatively, some of those people in there just, I don't know how they're coping, I don't know how they're surviving, but they do, and they do it so incredibly well, and it's inspirational, to be quite honest with you. But right now I have no clue what on earth is happening. I need to go and find where everyone else has gone off to. We've left breakfast and we're doing something else right now, and it's fantastic. I think my camera's just decided to break itself. Like, it's still working right now, but I'm going to have to either tape it or something like that. So that's fantastic. I'm going to need a new camera soon by the looks of things. Damn it! So this is just a tad little bit terrifying. Pooja and I have been left in charge with writing the script for today's video, which is kind of terrifying because I'm terrible at script writing, just for the record. And it's like, what? This is not my video. I don't write scripts, but it's interesting. It's really different. You have to rack your brain for all the stuff that you can, and I'm enjoying it, to be quite honest with you. That was honestly the weirdest experience of my entire life. I'm just walking down the street, or right next to the door at the end. How dare you interrupt my vlog? That's rude. That is so rude. Sorry. Hi, bye, I'm leaving. But pretty much, as I said, I walked out a door and all of a sudden I hear this brass band, and it's like, what? What's going on? I walk down the street and there's all these people gathered around the brass band that's going hard out, and I'm like, what? But it gave me a good laugh. It's a little bit different, and that's really, really cool. But anyway, after that spiel, on with the day. Mind equals blown. Not only is that a different country, that's a frickin' different continent. That's Europe. What the heck? Yeah, that's Spain. Holy crud.